How to fix PCSX2 requires a PS2 BIOS in order to run error. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix PCSX2 requires a PS2 BIOS in order to run error. So first, understand what the BIOS is. The BIOS is firmware from an actual PS2 console. PCSX2 cannot run without it due to legal and technical reasons. Now second, legally dump your own PS2 BIOS. You must extract the BIOS from your own PlayStation 2 console using tools like BIOS Dumper or relaunch of, and then follow guides that walk you through connecting your PS2 to a USB drive and dumping the BIOS file. Now after that, place the BIOS file correctly. After obtaining the BIOS, place it in the BIOS folder inside your PCSX2 installation directory. Configure PCSX2 to detect BIOS. Open PCSX2 and then go to Config, BIOS or plug-in selector, and then select the correct BIOS file from the list. Select Apply and OK. And then after that, run PCSX2 as administrator. Right-click the PCSX2 shortcut and choose Run as administrator. This ensures proper access to system folders and settings. Now, the last step that you'll need to do is to go ahead and check the compatibility. Make sure the BIOS version matches your region. Some games may require specific regional BIOS files.